Today, tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano
Nilagay ko na dun sa
kumuha ng Roblox 2026.
yung itlog na
In English, how we can get free Roblox in 2026. Go to Chrome. Wait. Then search with roblox.com. There. Just scroll down and put your username here. I'm gonna put mine, bro. Okay. So complete any offers, surveys, magic receipts. Then click withdraw. Wait. Subscribe. Subscribe to his channel. Then go to back. Wait. Reset again. Reset. Then Discord. Let's go to his Discord. Discord. Wait. Accept invites. Wait, guys. Okay, accept invite. Oh, I need to verify. I'm gonna complete this later, okay? Wait. That's so easy, okay? And let's go back. Then you have a 2 Robux free. Then if you want to withdraw your Robux, click these three lines up. Go to withdraw. Click withdraw. Then enter your Roblox username. This is. Then go. There, withdraw. But I have a 2 Robux. I'm gonna claim it, but you need 7 Robux to withdraw. Okay, so that's it. Thank you guys. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. See you again.